Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install NTE Neverness to Everness game on PC. And this game is completely free. So here follow these steps. So first of all, open the NTE Neverness to Everness official website. I will provide this link in my video description. And then here you will see the download now button. Click on it. And then if you want to download on PC, then click on Windows. This will download the client. Once this exe file get downloaded, just run it. Click yes to allow. Please wait. And then here select the English language and then click on OK. Now please take a note, required space is 63 GB. So make sure your system has the at least 63 GB of free space. And then you can click on start install. The installation location will be C drive, program files, Neverness to Everness. So click on start install. Click on agree and install. And then click on play NTE. It is updating the NTE update. NTE updating, please wait. So please wait, it is of 879.07 MB in total, so please wait. It will take some time, so you have to wait patiently over here. So please wait. Here click on yes, and once the NTE Neverness to Everness launcher get installed and launched, and then you can click on install button to install the actual game. So click on install button, and here you can see the game size is 52.05 GB and the game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install NTE Neverness to Everness game on PC for free. So that's all for this video.